Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. You have 15 questions. You have 10 seconds to solve each question. If you require more time, then you can pause the video. Titanic belongs to which country? USA, UK, France, Germany. Vaseline is a company of which country? USA, UK, Germany, France. In which country's hotel do monkeys serve as waiters? Japan, China, Thailand, India. Which mountain changes its color every day? Mount Everest, Rainbow Mountain, Grand Canyon, Mount Kilimanjaro. Which one of the following is known as plastic money? Paper notes, coins, debit, credit cards, gold coins. Which country has 3 capitals? USA, India, South Africa, Canada. What is the currency of Greece? Euro, drachma, lira, peso. Which metal can be cut with a knife? Iron, sodium, aluminum, copper. Bullfighting is the national game of Portugal, Spain, Mexico, Argentina. In which continents are piranhas found? Africa, South America, Asia, Europe. How does the sun look from space? Yellow, red, white, orange. Which currency first introduced plastic currency? USA, Australia, Canada, China. Which flower blooms once in every 36 years? Rafflesia, Neelakurinji, Kadupul, bamboo. In which country is the death penalty given for killing a cat? Egypt, Saudi Arabia, China, UAE. Which part of the body has no blood? Eye lens, brain, liver, skin. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.